This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. The realm of watch collecting invites you into a world of shining watch faces and detailed inner workings, a harmonious blend of skillful craftsmanship and historical significance worn on your wrist. However, for those unfamiliar, the journey may pose challenges, filled with concealed obstacles that can deplete your finances and dampen your enthusiasm. But worry not, fellow watch enthusiasts. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will serve as a guide to help you traverse the intricate paths of collecting with the expertise of a seasoned professional, avoiding expensive errors at every twist and turn. Stick around until the end of the video, and you will acquire the knowledge required to make informed decisions, creating a watch collection that is not only impressive, but also budget-friendly. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we highly recommend doing so now to stay informed about our future video releases. Caring too much about what other people think. It is easy to fall into the trap of caring too much about what others think when it comes to building a watch collection. While guidance from experienced enthusiasts can be valuable, the responsibility of choosing a timepiece rests on you, as you will be the one wearing it. Ensure that the final decision is entirely yours, and do not allow anyone to pressure you into selecting a specific watch against your preferences. In your journey as a watch enthusiast, there are risks that come with the venture of watch collecting. This fixation on external validation can hinder the joy of watch collecting. It is crucial to recognize that personal taste varies, and what matters most is finding watches that bring genuine satisfaction. Learn from that mistake by appreciating the importance of staying true to your preferences and not letting external opinions overshadow the joy of curating a collection that truly resonates with you. Attune to your instincts. Patience is a virtue, especially when dealing with authorized Rolex dealers. As you may be aware, obtaining the desired Rolex model is not a straightforward task. Trends fade like summer tans, but true watch magic lies in timeless design and quality craftsmanship. Selecting a watch is an incredibly individualized decision, and frankly, the least crucial factor in your choice should be the current preferences and endorsements of trendsetters and tastemakers. Prioritize watches that resonate with your soul, not just your social media feed. Remember, a hastily acquired timepiece might end up feeling like a burden, not a treasure. When selecting a watch, it is crucial to pick one that aligns with both your personality and lifestyle. This simple step will help you along the way. Also, always remember that building a meaningful collection takes time. Take your time with impulsive purchases or succumb to the pressure of trends. Wait for the right pieces to find you, the ones that spark a special connection and tell a story on your wrist. The thrill of the hunt is part of the joy of collecting, so savor the journey and let your passion guide you. Rolex, Omega, Patek Philippe. These brand giants hold undeniable prestige, but the watch world is a diverse ecosystem incorporated with hidden gems beyond the usual suspects. You can explore other watch brands, vintage treasures, and independent watchmaker. You might discover a masterpiece that sings to your taste and budget, waiting to be unearthed from the treasure trove of lesser-known names. Prioritizing passion over profit. Collecting watches should be a journey of passion, not just a financial gamble. While some timepieces appreciate over time, focus on finding watches you genuinely love and enjoy wearing. The true reward lies in the connection you build with your collection, not just the numbers on a price tag. Remember, a watch that speaks to your heart will bring you joy far beyond any monetary value. Watch collectors often have a profound appreciation for the intricate craftsmanship that goes into creating high-quality timepieces. The artistry involved in designing and assembling watches becomes a source of fascination and joy. High-quality watches are not just a financial investment. Their enduring design ensures longevity. Choosing the right timepiece means selecting something suitable for your current needs while also considering its potential to become an heirloom or be resold should your preferences evolve. Engaging with a community of like-minded enthusiasts who share a passion for watches can be a rewarding aspect of collecting. The exchange of knowledge, experiences, and the sense of camaraderie within the watch community often surpasses the focus on financial considerations. While there is nothing inherently wrong with considering the potential future value of a watch, the passion over profit philosophy suggests that the primary motivation for collecting should be the sheer enjoyment and appreciation of watches as thoughtful and functional objects, rather than viewing them primarily as financial investments. This mindset encourages collectors to focus on the intrinsic value of their watches rather than constantly monitoring market trends. Avoid purchasing excessively within a brief time. Acquiring too many timepieces within a brief period can lead to unintended consequences. It is a reminder that, even though you have a passion for watches, others may not share the same appreciation, and the key is to choose a timepiece that genuinely resonates with them. it is advisable to steer clear of making excessive purchases within a short time. Rushing into multiple acquisitions can lead to impulsive decisions and potential regrets. Taking the time to carefully consider each purchase allows for a more thoughtful and deliberate approach to building a collection. By avoiding the temptation to buy too much too quickly, one can make more informed choices, ensuring that each addition to the collection aligns with personal preferences and long-term satisfaction. This mindful approach not only promotes a more intentional and curated collection, but also minimizes the risk of overspending and buyer's remorse. Also, do not be afraid to haggle. Research market values, understand the watch's condition, and be prepared to walk away. A little savvy negotiation can shave off significant sums, leaving you with more resources for your next horological conquest. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of watches. The more you know, the better equipped you are to strike a fair deal. Be mindful of the counterfeits. Be careful with fake watches because they can trick you if you are not careful. Learn about them. Look for signs like logos that are not in the right place, fonts that look weird, and strange materials. If a deal seems too good, it is a scam. Trust your instincts and buy from trusted seller, whether online or in stores. Real watches might cost more, but it is better to spend more initially than regret your purchase later. If it works for you, opting for superior quality products, even with a slightly higher initial cost, helps avoid succumbing to supply and demand marketing tactics. In watch collecting, it is crucial to be vigilant and mindful of counterfeits. The allure of acquiring a coveted timepiece may sometimes lead enthusiasts into the trap of counterfeit watches, jeopardizing both the authenticity of their collection and potential financial losses. To navigate this risk, collectors should educate themselves on the telltale signs of replicas, such as inconsistencies in logos, fonts, and materials. A deal that appears too good to be true often signals a potential counterfeit. Trusting reputable seller, whether online or offline, becomes paramount in ensuring the integrity of a watch collection. By staying informed and exercising caution, collectors can preserve the authenticity and value of their cherished timepieces. Acquiring a new timepiece can be considered one of the most gratifying experiences. The act of buying a watch can swiftly turn unfavorable if one is unprepared. If the details paint a picture of watch buying as an overwhelming process, do not worry. Being mindful of your preferences and the environment, accompanied by a trusted friend or knowledgeable salesperson, can significantly ease the process, allowing you to fully relish the satisfaction of your purchase. Keep in mind that watch collecting is meant to be an exciting journey, not a maze of mistakes. Armed with these valuable insights as your guide, you will confidently explore the realm of watches, curating a collection that mirrors your distinct style and narrates your personal story, one tick at a time. Venture forth and make your collecting choices wisely. What are your thoughts on the topic we shared in this video? Have you also encountered costly mistakes in your watch collecting journey? We would like to see your answers and opinions in the comments section. Remember to follow us too and give us a thumbs up. Once again, this is the Luxury World, and we look forward to seeing you again in our future videos.